How do you lose an entire GoPro? Why am I doing this one-handed? This is not a good idea. I just fall and die. I don't know how to dive.
Jump in.
Panic. Why are you coming so fast? He's not even moving over.
Good morning from Pong Na, I think it's called. I can't pronounce it properly, but look how beautiful it is. So it's our last day today. We're only staying for one day. As nice as the guy who owned the hostel was, the place stinks of damn and there's no AC, so it's really hot and we didn't get any sleep. So we'll go into a total wipeout adventure course today, and then this evening about 8:30, 9 o'clock we're getting an overnight bus to Hanoi, which is the capital. It's a really small town this, so it's hard to get around, and so we've had to rent a bike, but the roads are dead sketchy out here, so we don't really want to drive a bike. There's no gym, so we're going to go to capital. It'll be easier to get around and all that cool jazz. So now we're going to make our way to the total wipeout place. Bailey, get your mother out of the way. Hi!
Hello, doggy. Hello. What's this? Come here. It's a black cow, though.
You fat cow.
They're normally skinny in Thailand, aren't they?
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Well, this is shit.
Uh-oh.
Sign me up for a bike ride. Could have gone on pedal bikes at least. And it would have took 3 hours.
What are you doing?
It's in a van!
I've seen it.
What? With what, your eyesight?
And it beats that
What, it was a cow?
Why would I have to bleep it out? Right. Why are you coming so fast? He's not even moving over.
You f***ing rude specimen.
Jeez! Ah! Ah!
No, don't drive fast.
I'm not. I slip. We're in Southeast Asia, rainy season, and it's raining.
What is this shit? I look like a paedophile.
This is shit around.
Fuck, well, slow down, we're going on the corner, yeah? We're going to do this.
Stop swearing.
Where are we going?
We're literally here because you wanted to go, so you cannot win about anything.
Yeah, I did want to do this, to be fair. We're going to like a
Total wipeout
thing. But it's
Stop swearing, I have to bleep it!
so it's raining. I'm on the back of a bike, I'm riding bitch.
So he continues to swear.
Shit like this.
Stop swearing!
And I forgot to say, I look like I'm wearing a condom on my head. I either look like I'm going horse riding, or I look like a dickhead.
I don't know about you, I look pretty cool. I look ream.
Right, you keep your eyes on the road, buddy boy.
We're just running over shit.
Oh, good shit. Have a look at that. Shizen. Is it Shizen?
Hello.
She didn't even wave at me. Tight little bitch. Look at the views though.
It is beautiful. I'm
Shit.
focused on the road and try not to kill us.
Slow down!
I'm not even going
Bikes!
Hello!
Should we ask them for a photo?
Yeah.
They're probably like the next Conor McGregor.
They're kids though. Is this
Go round,
creepy?
go round, go round. I don't actually want to, you dickhead.
Hello.
Hello. 2 years ago,
Yeah.
who would have thought I would have been in Southeast Asia? Show to yellow men. Look at the roads now. We were on smooth roads before.
This is me taking directions from Ben, by the way. This is what happens.
I'm on the sat nav, baby. But look, the view, I say the view's
Yeah, the
nice.
view's brilliant. Look at that brick wall.
Yeah, look.
Oh, mossy brick wall.
Right, you keep your hands on
I can do
steering
no
wheel,
hands
please.
on a sit.
No,
What?
no, lad, I will knock you. Look, the views are nice. Oh yeah, more over there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, but you can put it on Instagram and be swearing, can't you?
Yeah, and I send it directly to your mum.
Oh yeah. It is actually shit though, isn't it? Because if you look, oh my god,
It's not my fault.
I'm actually getting penetrated up the arse right now.
That's how I feel like the roads are in Africa.
Oh. We've never rode a bike in our life, sorry hun. Oh, there you are. Either side. See, just keep your eyes on the road. You can watch us back later.
This is a joke.
I bet you know of a
Straight
Ferrari.
road.
Oh, don't! I actually nearly fell off. Got no hands on. Oh yeah. I would have just booted you in the face.
What if I just drove off and then you start?
On the phone. At least we're on decent road.
Don't jinx us. We've got to cross the bridge in a minute.
Yeah, let's cross the bridge in a minute. So,
And I'm talking like a drawstring bridge.
what do you say?
I'm talking like a drawbridge, like a string bridge. A suspension bridge, actually.
Couldn't hear what you said.
That's
I'm
just
getting so bullshit.
So this is the bridge we've got across to get to the other side. Are you walking it? I don't think he trusts me. Look at how beautiful it is though. The colour of that water. At least it stopped raining. Because it means I've got to get it out. I'll just hold it and hopefully not fall in. Why am I doing this one-handed? This is not a good idea. I just fall and die. That wasn't so bad. Hello. Actual children riding mopeds out here is crazy. You ready? We've come to the place that we think it is, but we've not got Wi-Fi on our phone, so we can't actually Google if it is the place or not. But there's like a total wipeout thing with spinning stuff that knocks you into the water, but we can't seem to find it here. And we asked, and the woman has no idea what we're on about. So we don't know if it was here and it's been removed for health and safety reasons, or we're just not at the right place. So we're gonna go and drive down the road and see if we can find somewhere else. I mean, this place is okay. If worse comes to worse, we can come back here. For £15 you get zip lining, caves, mud bath, and then the water activities, kayaking. But we really want to do the total wipeout course, so we're going to go see if we can find it now down the road. We pulled up to the next spot along the river, but the only other person here is a dog. It doesn't look like it anyway. No, it's only got like a Skynet thing. Ooh, look at that. Fried frog. No activities open anyway, it's only this little path to walk around. They are open, but no activities. Well, guess what idiot's lost his GoPro? How do you lose an entire GoPro? I had it in my pocket on the bike and it's not in my pocket anymore. That is actually jarring. How do you lose an entire camera? Because I'm me, that's how. I genuinely would lose my head if it wasn't screwed onto my body. That is peak. I am actually the world's biggest idiot. Look at me driving slow down these roads like, oh yeah, I'm gonna find a GoPro anywhere here. I was on the back, it was in my pocket and I've lost it. When it's fallen out, it's obviously shot off into the abyss, hasn't it? I'm not gonna find it here. One more hope, I'm gonna go to the place we were just at, like a little cave thing, like a tourist area. So I'll go up there, ask the security guard if anyone's handed in a camera. If not, that's the end of my trusted GoPro, unfortunately, with all the footage I've shot on it today, which is a bit of a pain. But we move. Everything's supposed to happen for a reason. I'm a firm believer in that. One way or another, this GoPro was supposed to be lost. And it was either supposed to be found again or lost forever. I don't know why at this point, but maybe it'll make sense at some point in the future. I don't know. I've only gone and found it. The bloody gardeners along here had it. I was talking to them for about 10 minutes on Google Translate, and he says, if I find it, will you compensate me? I was like, yeah, whatever. And then he just pulled it out of his pocket. I was like, cheers, bro. I literally gave him all the money I had on me, which was like £15. And then he asked me, he goes, how much does the camera cost? I was like, £200. And he was like, that's like half of his paycheck. I actually feel tight now, but I've got no other money on me. Oh, bless him. I can't believe I found it. I'm buzzing. Found it. These kind men helped me find it. Okay. I've not got that much money. This is all I have.
Thank you.
Yeah? Is that good?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't care. Thank you so much. I can't believe we found it.
How much?
I don't know, about £200, which is...
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's contemplating not giving it back now.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're a good man, you're a good man. Have you found it? What? The gardeners had it.
Who?
The gardeners. I had to talk to them for like 10 minutes and they bribed me with all the cash I had in my bag.
How much did it cost?
All the cash I had in my bag, like 15 quid. They wouldn't give it to me unless I gave them money.
No family.
Ben wants to see me dive, but I can't dive, so I'm gonna dive. Attempt to. How'd you do it like that?
Just dive, it's not that hard.
Do you have to jump or do I just go like that?
Jump.
I actually can't.
Do it. This is gonna be so shit, I can already tell. Just
I can't hear you, you know.
fucking rally flop. Just do it,
Tom
man.
Daly, eat your heart out.
What was that? You didn't even move off the ground.
You just followed half the pool.
You didn't even move off the ground, you just fell in. Do it again.
I just dived, what do you mean?
I want to see you proper dive.
That was a proper dive.
That was f***ing shit.
Right, give me a minute. I don't know how to dive.
Jump in. What are you doing?
Panic. Alright, I'm gonna do it this time. Third time's the charm. It's gonna be an Olympic dive then, yeah?
Yeah, it's gotta be decent.
Olympic level.
Yeah. Didn't even get off the ground. Why did you... You're meant to jump. You literally just fall in.
I can't multitask. My brain doesn't do it. My head goes jump and dive, and then my brain just goes.
Such a gimp.
Right, I was about to jump in the pool with this, which I thought was a rubber ring, but I think it's a car inner tube. Anyway, besides the point, look at this. There's a spider eating a fly, which I've never seen before. I do, it's cool. Look, he's dragging it. Look at him.
Eat the spider, show him your boss.
It's a jumping spider, so I'm not gonna... Look, he's dragging his meal around. Oh, don't look at me like that, boy. I'm trying to be like David Attenborough and shit and document it. Look at him. Cool, isn't he? Isn't he cool? Look at him with his little meal. It's dinner time. Right, you go over there, yeah? You go and enjoy it. This channel, has probably got the most thrilling content on the whole of YouTube. So subscribe if you're not already.
Hey.